Well, hi guys, Todd here again with twHomeShow. Today I wanted to share with you a little bit about office ergonomics. Yeah, that's office comfortability to me. These are the things that I purchased for my new office that I'm going to share with you today. Now, I'm not claiming to be an expert, but I do love the choices I made. So stick around if you want to watch and see all the ideas that I implemented into my office. Stay tuned. All right guys, these are our two chairs. I bought these two chairs. First, I bought this SERTA chair, this nice beige ivory chair for my office here. I thought it would stand out, be striking. It looks really, really nice. I love it. I love the style of it, the comfort of it. And I figured I was gonna get the same chair for both my home studio office, YouTube office here, and my work office. But I got this. And even though I'm satisfied with it, I love the gliding features of the rollers from my old one. It's like smooth as silk, guys. It is, and it leans back nice and comfortably like this. You can tighten the tension with the adjustment knob in the front there underneath, but I love how it leans back and glides so easy. The bolsters here between your thighs and between your lower lumbar and your shoulders, matter of fact, is nice and comfortable. Now it doesn't stick up very high for your neck. If you lean back, I mean, it's a comfortable pillow, but you can't do any work like this, you know, so you can lean back and get some rest for a minute, and it's nice and soft on your arms here. These arm pads have lots of cushion in them, so I like this. But I tell you what, guys, this is like a 3 to 5 hour chair for working ability. I mean, it's comfortable right when you get in it for a few hours, but after probably about the 4th or 5th hour, you're gonna wanna get up out of it and get some exercise, because you're gonna feel that the cushion underneath is kind of settling and hitting rock bottom on the platform bottom of your chair bottom. And that's when you wanna get up and walk around or whatever. So I thought, you know what? I'm gonna have to do something different for my work office, because there I could work 8 to 10 hours a day. And I found this baby right here. This is the DOWIN X gaming chair, matter of fact. Even though I don't play games at work, you may know I may laugh and joke, but I don't play, guys. So this is what I'm showing you here next. And this is cool because, as you saw in the intro, it's got a fold out footstool, or a leaning foot pad that you can slide underneath. And then this pad, this lower pad, and the softness and the slickness of it gives you to where you can move around, move your butt around to get more comfort. It's padded all the way through, and you don't hit rock bottom on this. So you're not gonna numb out on your bottom. And it's got the nice lower lumbar pad here, which I didn't think I would like with these extra attachments, but actually they hit in the right proper places when you sit down on them. And this actually has this lower lumbar pad. It's got a vibrator built into it. You can just plug it into a USB port on your computer at work. And it is, I gotta say, guys, I mean, it feels a little stiff at first, but once you work this in, I've had it for about a week and a half, and I've been switching between these off and on before I take this to work. And I really fell in love where this pillow works out on my neck. And I could still do work here, and as well as recline. If I wanted to recline just a bit, it's got notches ever so often, and you could recline and still do your work if you needed to rest your back or something like that. So guys, both of these chairs are, to me, a thumbs up. Let me know what you think. I'll leave more descriptions below and all the links to these chairs and the other products that I'm about ready to show you. Another thing when it comes to office ergonomics is the way you sit your feet on the floor. And what I found out over the last 2 years at work, I just got an old box, and I would place my feet up on that box to give me a little bit extra comfort, my lower back, and it really worked out well. Well, when I did this office studio remodel, I found these footstools. They are so nice. These work out great for ladies with short legs. If you have to have your seat up so high, but your feet don't hit the bottom of the floor, this little footstool here can work wonders, and you can get a workout while you're at it. I really love this footstool. It's come out very, very handy for me, and it's very adjustable. You can adjust it to different heights like that. Here's a lower height, for instance, and it's been working out really well for me. It's better than a box. And yet again, guys, there's another comfort item you can add to your office. I got this nice slick pad, mouse pad, with a gel palm insert where you can rest your palm on here, and as long as you have your mouse adjusted properly, you should only have to move your wrist within probably 2 inches or so to make your mouse scroll all the way across your computer screen monitor. And I also got this nice ergonomic mouse right here, and this doesn't take batteries. This actually takes USB charge, micro USB, so you can plug it right into your laptop or computer and charge it while you're actually using it if you want. It also has a built-in light, if you like that, for ambient lighting, or you can save battery and keep it off, and an on-off switch underneath here, and a nice place to tuck in your Bluetooth connector for it, so you can take it when you're traveling with your laptop. I would take this thing everywhere. I've gotten so used to it. Notice how it's kind of got like an angle to it, so your palm kind of fits down here naturally, and you're not going to have to use the regular mouse and twist your wrist like this. That can cause carpal tunnel syndrome cases and stuff like that. With this mouse, you're kind of keeping your wrist angled, and it's really nice to use. It's got a nice quiet click. You don't hear it going clickety-clack as you're working through your workday, and it's got your extra quick buttons on the side here, as well as your scroll button as well on the top face. So guys, I highly recommend this setup. And while we're talking about it, I'm talking about work tops now. Work tops. This work top I purchased for my YouTube studio here. It's been great. It's been a miracle. I've got this one lever right underneath here, one touch, one finger, to bring it up and down to any height that I need it. And it rolls. It's on casters. I can roll it around. I can lock the casters in place if I want to. I could stand up on this as well. So if I'm doing a photo shoot and I say I want to be standing up in the photo shoot for one of my videos, guys, I can be standing up and use this worktop table, and it makes it for a nice different kind of shot with my background standing up. So guys, let me know. I'm going to show you one more thing that worked out great in my office. All right, guys, this is it. One more thing that worked out great in my office is my 42-inch curved screen monitor by VIOTEK. It's awesome, guys. I can't believe the picture on this. Quite awesome. I kept one of my old monitors because you can always use an extra screen hooked up if you've got the port, which I did. I love this, guys. It's great for video editing. I'll show you here. I'm working on a video, this one currently. Gives me lots of real estate for laying out my video footage. And guys, I put some LEDs behind it, as you can see. Guys, thanks again for tuning in to another video. Thanks for taking the office tour with me, checking out some of my comfort items in my office that I implemented. I'll leave all the descriptions below, all the information if you want to purchase it or research those items, or maybe get something similar to it. I'll leave all those links below. And guys, thanks again. I'll see you on the next one.